Hi, this is Tyrone. Welcome to an episode of From My Garden. Today I just want to briefly highlight a very, very beneficial plant. It's called the cathedral bell, the miracle leaf, the leaf of life, many names. This is a very popular plant that grows in Jamaica, but also grows here. It loves tropical and subtropical climates, and it's very easy to grow. I just take a leaf off of it, drop it on the ground, a little soil and some sun, it starts rooting on its own. Just that easy. When I say benefits, if you Google it, you'll find over 100 benefits from this one plant itself. It kills bacteria, kills viruses, kills fungus. It's great for your liver, great for your heart. It lowers your blood pressure. It deals with ulcer. It helps you with your asthma challenges. I mean, you can take it and eat it raw. Help with chest problems, great for open wounds, have skincare properties to it, treat headaches. The list just goes on and on and on. And what's so sad about it, it grows practically everywhere. It may be even in your yard, but we know a little bit about it. And I have an old saying, why pay for that which is free? You should look this up. Again, cathedral bell, miracle leaf, leaf of life. It will do you good. Until next time, eat well, live well. Oh, one last thing. It's great for pickling too. Great for putting on salads. You can make it as a tea, juice it, stir fry it. Many applications to help you with your body. Peace.